Watch this video and learn how to draw this. Wow, that's amazing. Later in the show, we're all gonna sing a song. That'll be fun. Come on, kids, it's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Artie was hiding. Hello and welcome to Artie's show. I'm Artie and this is my show. Well, today we're going to do a really fun drawing. Do you want to draw along with Artie? You should. It's really fun.
Hello, Artie and friends.
Good day, everyone!
I got a blank piece of paper and a marker pen. Now I got to start drawing again. Let's begin.
Hey, Artie.
Oh, hi, Bubby.
How's it going?
Great, thanks.
Wow, I don't know what that is, but I already love it.
Oh, thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. La 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 la. Here we go. Do. Jump back in, like run that far. Here I go. Do. La la jump back in, go. Coming up, there's going to be a song. It's really fun. You don't want to miss it. Oh, I know. Let's have a little break and sing a song. That'll be fun, don't you think? Yeah, let's do it!
I taught my dog to DJ. Oh yes, it's true. It's true. He spins the record toward a view. Oh yeah. With his paws on the decks, he's got the moves. Scratching and mixing. He grooves. He grooves. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Spin it again. Drop that beat, my friend. DJ! He's got the rhythm, he's got the flair. Floppy ears bouncing everywhere. Bounce, bounce. Lights are flashing, the crowd goes wild. My DJ dog's got a superstar style. Turn it up, let's make it loud. My dog's the king, he rules the crowd. Woof, woof, spin it again. Drop that beat, my furry friend. Woof, 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 let the party play. I taught my dog to DJ. He howls to the bass, tail wagging fast. He steals the show. Turntable spinning, paws on fire. My DJ dog takes us higher, higher.
Hey, don't forget, you can listen to all of our songs over on Artie's Simple Songs.
That was the best song ever! But it's time to carry on with the drawing. Come along. Oh, Painty! Oh no! Painty!
Oh, I love it!
Oh, Painty! You made a big mess everywhere. I'm gonna have to clean that up. I'll do it after the drawing. It's finished! Sometimes I like to leave drawings just black and white. Sometimes they don't need colour, but this one, oh boy, this one needs colour!
Here comes the fun part. Let's add some color.
I'm finished! Oh, this one came out really nice. I might put this in a frame. How was yours? I bet yours came out really good too, because you're so talented.
Colors sparkle and play.
We'll see you guys another day.
See you next time.
Thanks for watching the show. I hope you had fun watching me draw and watching us sing. Hope to see you again soon. Have an arty day.